Whether your 1985 to 1995 Toyota truck is bone stock or built for extra performance, the LC Engineering Street Header for your 22R or 22RE is the best bang for your buck
Come on now, dawg.
bolt-on part you can buy. You should expect to see a 10 to 15% power increase with a good boost to top end of the power band where these trucks struggle. I want you guys to think about that for a second. This truck, the pickups with the 22R or 22RE, especially the 22RE, is probably around 116 horsepower bone stock, as they say. Let's say 15% increase would put you at almost 20 horsepower gain. So going from 116 to 133.4 horsepower from these headers. Should you buy these headers? Are you going to get those power gains? No, you're not. Absolutely no power gains whatsoever. If anything, the only thing you gain is a noisier engine. Gonna hear more lifter noise, gonna sound like an exhaust leak, it's gonna be louder overall. Should you switch from the cast iron to a tubular manifold? Yes, if you have supporting mods. If you have bored out, ported engine, a lot of work, which in my opinion, huge waste of money doing anything to a 22RE unless you're full on racing in a class that requires you to have that size engine or type of engine. $700 for these headers with the advertisement of a 15% horsepower gain, almost 20 horsepower gain from these headers, is robbery. They're high quality, they're great, they look nice. Are they gonna bump your stock engine up 20 horsepower almost? No. Do I regret buying them? Yeah, absolutely, a little bit. Again, the quality is outstanding, but the claims are outrageous. This is all my opinion, but just save your money, put it towards a swap, do the V6 swap, a 1UZ, do anything else but spend money on the 22RE. I know there's some purists out there that would rather take it the easy route, like I have, trying to bump this thing up performance-wise, make it a little bit better than the way I found it. But ultimately, the headers, they're not going to give you what you think they're going to give you. With that said, this is Degreeless Engineering, a channel where we engineer using experience, and I experience these headers not giving me any power gains at all. Thanks for watching.